Hi there, students. To duke it out. To duke something out. This means to fight about it. To physically fight. To fight with your fists. Normally this duke it out talks about fist fighting. Okay, fighting with your fist. So the two men went outside the pub and duked it out. Yeah, the film starts with a scene of the hero duking it out with the villain. Yeah. And then you can use this to duke it out metaphorically. They disagreed violently with each other, and they sat there all night arguing, duking it out. So they didn't actually get up and hit each other, but they argued. So we can use this to duke it out, meaning to argue, to compete against each other. So yeah, the two teams were duking it out for a place in the semi-final. Yeah, the company took me to court and we duked it out in the court. Yeah, we fought about it, but not physically. Yeah, if there is a debate, then the two people in the debate duke it out. Yeah, okay, they argue about it. Okay, so to duke something out, to argue. But first of all, a fist fight. Notice, to put up your dukes. These are your dukes. I'll get into the origin of those maybe in a bit. In the lawyers duked it out in the courtroom. Okay, so it's some sort of fight, but it can be a metaphorical fight as well. Yeah, to duke it out, to fight, to fist fighting, to compete against each other, to duke it out for the title. Yeah, the two teams were duking it out for the title. A crowd came to watch the boxers duke it out. Yeah, it's boring listening to people in Parliament duking it out all day. Okay, so a physical fight, or to compete, or to argue until one of them actually wins. Yeah, that's in the rutting season, the stags duke it out for the best does. So stag and doe, these are talking about deer. Yeah, a deer. Okay, so to duke it out, to fight about something, to put up your dukes. Come on, put up your dukes. Put your fists up. Let's fight about it. Okay, so to duke it out, this is an informal phrase. To duke something out, separable phrasal verb. 4.5 informality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. And then as to origin, I've read various different ideas of the origin of to duke it out. One being that the king calls all of his dukes, yeah, his nobles, and the nobles call their knights, and they have a battle. Yeah, so to put your dukes up, maybe. The other one I liked a lot more was Cockney rhyming slang. Yeah, now the word duke, yeah, in British English, the Duke of York is a fork. Yeah, so put up your duke, your dukes, your Duke of Yorks, your forks, a fork to eat. But in Cockney, fork is a word for hand, and therefore fist. So put up your dukes, put up your fists, and I like that one a lot more. It sounds better, even if it's maybe another apocryphal explanation. So to duke it out, to fight about something, to compete for something. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To put up your dukes, to duke it out.